11 specialized zones, over 300,000 square feet of conditioned workspace, and on any given day, hours. Every egg in this facility is tracked from...
An ostrich egg is the largest egg produced by any living bird on Earth. It weighs between 1.1 and 1.9 kilograms.
The breeding colony is the foundation of everything. 2,000 breeding pairs. Each egg receives a unique digital identity the moment it enters the system. It will never be anonymous again. Before a single egg enters incubation, it must pass through one of the most rigorous quality control protocols in the agricultural world.
This isn't soap and water. The cleaning agent is a food-grade quaternary ammonium compound, applied in aerosol form at 30.
Before any egg enters incubation, it is physically profiled. Mass, ovoid dimensions, and surface curvature are analyzed to calculate shell porosity index. Every egg entering this facility carries biological contamination from the breeding grounds, bacteria, dust, and or cement. In a single morning shift, this X-ray system processes 14,000 eggs. 14
shipments. The X-ray imaging system fires 120 scans per minute, capturing a full cross-sectional view of every...
Approximately 8% of incoming eggs are rejected at the dimensional scanning stage. This isn't waste, it's precision. What you're about to see, most people will...
This image has a 94.7% viability confidence score. That tiny, luminous comma is a 48-hour...
Every egg that passes the X-ray scan is now assigned its fate. The routing algorithm considers incubation block temperature. Day 7, blood ring clear. Allantois developing normally. This crack is 0.3 millimeters wide, invisible to standard examination. If this egg had entered incubation Inside this machine, 4,987 individual worlds exist in parallel. Each egg is at a slightly different... Each incubator is a self-contained world. Its onboard computer runs 14. Every goose egg now carries an invisible identity, a UV-coded batch number linking it to its genetic record, its X-ray scan file, and its dimensional profile. Every 47 minutes, this machine tilts its entire egg population 90 degrees from one side to the other. This mimics the behavior of a brooding ostrich hen.
Those pores aren't decoration. An ostrich egg has between 6,000 and 8,000 individual pores.
Before any egg enters a primary incubator, it must be preconditioned. A sudden temperature jump from transport conditions to fully...
Across 42 days, each egg will be turned approximately 1,440 times.
Welcome to the most expensive room in this building. Incubation Hall A contains 24 Type 9. Day 7, blood ring clear. Allantois developing normally. Beyond this door lies the operational heart of this facility. Incubation Hall A is 400 feet long.
At day 14, candling audits begin in earnest across all 24 incubators. A team of 8 certified technicians works in parallel, assessing goal. At day 38, 4 days of favorites, they are hatch chambers, they are hatching hatch gains. The humidate drops explosive bears, the Gimrimet exotic. Not every chick will hatch without help. Approximately 3% require what technicians here call an assisted hatch. The technicians who perform these procedures are, in every meaningful sense, this device costs more than a luxury vehicle, and there are only 11 of them in the world. It detects the metabolic signature of the developing embryo, a spectral fingerprint of CO2 that changes in a blood ring, 2 words that mean the end. When the embryo dies in the first week of incubation, the blood vessels collapse and now contract toward the center of the egg. Day 30. The chick inside this egg is now fully feathered, its organs complete, its beak hardened for the work ahead. It has been rotating inside the shell, repositioning itself toward the air cell at the wide end. Humidity management in this hall is as critical as temperature. This overhead system maintains 35% relative humidity to the nearest 2%, continuously, automatically. The data tells a story in real time. That amber incubator, 2 subpup populations of eggs appear to be diverging in their development timeline. In 3 days, this hall will change completely. The steady, rhythmic hum of incubation will be joined by another sound. 1. A blood ring, 2 words that mean the end. When the embryo dies in the first week of incubation, the blood vessels collapse and now contract toward the center of the egg. A single bent airflow vein, 4 millimeters out of alignment. Create incubation science that small data across source 400 advanced development. Vein, 400 critical. The data always catches it. It is here. After 42 days and 1,440 turns. After X-ray scans and spectroscopic analysis and candling audits, and within 30 minutes of a successful hatch, every chick receives its first post-hatch assessment refined over 20 years. These checks take 90 seconds. They save thousands of chicks per year from conditions that become untreatable. External PIP. The chick has broken through the outer shell. At this moment, the facility's monitoring system alerts every senior technician on shift. The hatch cabinet's camera system switches to 4K record mode because what happened... The first steps of any newborn are remarkable. But an ostrich chick must stand and walk within hours of hatching, not days. Kindle Ritz Live. 14 hours. That is how long this particular chick took to complete its external hatching sequence, slightly faster than the facility average of 18 hours. What you are watching is a chick using a dedicated muscle called the combiology. A hatch cabinet in full activity is one of the most extraordinary sights in industrial agriculture. 50 positions, perhaps 30 to see through the chaos, to read the individual within the collective. First. Cabinet 7, he never reaches true horror. 40 deviating both home during peak PIP periods. Each hatch monitors this room over a 72-hour window. During peak hatching season, this corridor sees 2,000 chick transfers in a 24-hour period. 2,000 individual lives, each one wrapped in the data file. Nursery Complex 1. The first 7 days of a chick's life outside the shell happen in this room. The temperature here is maintained at exactly 30 degrees CE, beginning the greatest room designed around climatization process. The PIP. The single most important moment in ostrich hatchery operations. When the chick's egg tooth first breaks through the inner membrane, it breathes actual air for the first time. The hatching process has begun. During peak hatching season, this corridor sees 2,000 chick transfers in a 24-hour period. 2,000 individual lives, each one wrapped in the data file. In a population of thousands of chicks, individual health monitoring at the traditional hands-on level is physically impossible. So this facility deploys computer vision and thermal imaging systems that assess every chick's health signature automatically. At 72 hours, every chick receives a 2mm RFID chip that will transmit its unique identity for life. From this moment, this animal is never anonymous. The first voluntary feeding, a milestone that defines this chick's trajectory. Here, the feeding system is designed to trigger natural pecking behavior in even the most hesitant chick. By day 5, the transformation is already visible. These chicks are growing at a rate that has no parallel in the bird world. An ostrich chick gains approximately 100 microgram in quantities. Day 7, the last day inside the hatchery complex. These chicks have spent their entire lives, 49 days total including incubation, inside climate-controlled spaces managed by machines and humans. For the first time, they breathe unfiltered air. Feel the warmth of actual sunlight. Hear wind that machine-produced sheepherds. The Vasily eggs are precautionary and resolve with monitoring. Every year, this facility produces over 80,000 viable ostrich chicks, each one the product of 42 days of relentless biological management and engineering precision. People don't understand what it takes to maintain a 98% success rate at this scale. Everything has to be right: the temperature, the humidity, the turning, the candling protocol. If one element stopped by,